Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your numbers spreadsheet on your Mac. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you add another column into your spreadsheet using numbers on Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add another column into one of your spreadsheets using numbers? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you have to transfer around different subscriber lists, and some providers require you to have a certain column with a certain data set. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Numbers app. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up a spreadsheet here with my Numbers app. And as you can see right here, we have 8 different columns in our spreadsheet. Now, if you want to add another column, what you're going to do is just click on the spreadsheet. And once you do that, you're going to see these letters pop up around it. And in order to add another column, look for this little green button here. And all you're going to do is just click on it. And as you can see, another column has opened up. So we can go ahead and rename this column. So let's just name this new column. Okay. And now we can go ahead and start filling in the data. So hello, goodbye, see you later. Okay, so now we have a new column, and if you want to save it, just click up here on File and then click on Save. Okay, so now our numbers spreadsheet has a new column. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add another column into your numbers spreadsheet using your Mac, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.